Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another Tile Tool Tuesday. In this quick episode, we will be reviewing, in this box, the cheapest tabletop tile saw on Amazon. Now, tabletop tile saws are very beneficial because you can cut inside small spaces. You can set up a tabletop tile saw in a small bathroom when you remodel a shower, or in a kitchen when you're installing backsplash. Rather than setting up a full-size tile saw outside, it takes a lot of time to run to the tile saw, come back to install. This will speed up time, make your life a lot easier, and for installers, make you a lot more money. So, what we're going to do is simple, as per usual. We'll unbox the tile saw, we will assemble it, we will quickly talk about the specs, and the materials we will cut will be glass, ceramic, cut flat river rock, 1/2 inch hard through body porcelain tile, and lastly your very thick 3/4 of an inch quartz. Let's unbox and assemble. Here we go. And here it is. The company is called Recon. Let's open it up. Check out the specs. Right off the bat, 2-year warranty, 7-inch blade. And here are our specs. 1 horsepower motor, 7-inch diamond blade included, 3,500 RPM blade speed, max cutting 1 1/4. The table size, 20 inches by 15 inches. It can bevel, miter cut, and that's pretty much it, your basic specs. Let's assemble. Here is your blade, your guide for diagonal cuts, your splash guard, and your fence. This looks like a spitting image of Harbor Freight's new tabletop tile saw. Let's put it together, see how well it performs. Again, the cheapest tabletop tile saw on Amazon. If you are on a budget, you want to speed up some time by cutting inside of a kitchen or a bathroom, this can help you save time and make more money. Switch. Aluminum table here. Open this up for your bevel cuts. Let's install the blade. Okay, the blade is installed. Let's add some water and plug her in. It looks like they have some onboard tools as well. Let's see how loud the motor is. Extremely quiet. I'm impressed, absolutely impressed. I really like that. Nice, quiet motor. Okay, let's make some cuts. We'll start with glass. Plenty of power, fairly clean cut. Hit this with the diamond pad, you're good to go. Let's move on to river rock. Not bad at all. The rock was getting away from the mesh sheet, but clean cut, plenty of power. Let's move on. Ceramic. Not a problem with ceramic, obviously. Very soft material. Quartz. Very clean cut. It struggled just a little bit with this very hard 1/2 inch through body porcelain, but nevertheless, very clean cut. Well, there you have it. This definitely did surprise me. Performed better than what I was expecting. Very inexpensive. The cheapest tile saw on Amazon. Tabletop tile saw. Help you speed up some time. Use this in the kitchen. Use it in the bathroom. This is for backsplashes, showers, flooring, you name it. I'll leave a link down in the description if you want to check out pricing and specs. It did the job. It performed well. As usual, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Tap that little bell icon down there for the next Tile Tool Tuesday. Smash that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.